Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to use PayPal on TikTok Shop. So if you want to use PayPal on TikTok Shop, so unfortunately there is no direct ways of doing this. You can't directly pay on using your PayPal. So what you can do as a workaround, you can use your bank account to do so. So what you can do, so when you go to your TikTok Shop, so first thing what you can do, you can just on your PayPal, just go to your PayPal and then withdraw the funds, the amount that you want to use from PayPal. Just withdraw it to your bank account. So withdraw it to the card to your bank card, so from PayPal. So once you've already done with that, then simply when you get to the TikTok Shop here, and then when you make to the purchase, and then when you get to the product page thing, the payment page. So on the payment page, simply select the same bank account or the bank card that you transfer your funds from your PayPal, and you can use those funds and then pay through your bank account on TikTok Shop. So this is the workaround we have at this moment, as there is no direct ways to use PayPal on TikTok Shop. Hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.